Ladies and gentlemen, very good evening to you all. It's an absolute pleasure to be here today to launch the 8th generation Toyota Hilux. And today's launch not only demonstrates the growing confidence of the automobile industry, but also reveals growth in confidence in our economy by the business community and consumers. Ladies and gentlemen, ASCO Motors has been operating in Fiji for the past 40 years by making available various brands of vehicles to cater for different needs. That is from the high-end vehicles to affordable, cheaper-running vehicles. Furthermore, the Toyota vehicles in particular have built a reputation of being tough, durable, versatile, and comfortable. In this regard, the new Hilux brings a new dimension of SUV into the SUV vehicle industry. And it has a bigger body, a larger cabin, improved dynamics, new diesel engine, and improved fuel efficiency. And this augurs well with the current Fijian government plans to encourage the Fijian population to move towards the new generation technology vehicles that provides all the comfort and convenience, but is also kinder to the environment. Ladies and gentlemen, we began this process in 2013 by introducing a requirement that all second-hand vehicles imported needed to be compliant with Euro 4 standards. And the duty concession for purchase of LPG vehicles, from public service vehicles to personal use vehicles also. We are now in the process of further improving the standards of fuel to either Euro 4 or Euro 5 standards. This will ensure that more high-quality, fuel-efficient and environmentally friendly vehicles are imported in Fiji. Therefore, the introduction of the new models, like the Toyota Hilux, demonstrates the increasing quality of motor vehicle on our roads. Vehicles with better performance, reliability and fuel efficiency, helping to minimize the greenhouse gas emissions and their negative impact on our environment. Ladies and gentlemen, whilst the Fijian government is doing its part, the car industry also needs to be competitive as far as pricing and availability of vehicles is concerned. Consumers are too often priced out of the market, and a new vehicle like a Toyota is often out of the reach for ordinary Fijians. Not only that, but after-sales services and availability of spare parts are also important. Currently, a customer may be able to acquire a Toyota, but subsequently may be forced to purchase non-genuine or inferior parts due to the unavailability of genuine parts or the cost of the genuine parts that are too high. The industry needs to address this situation and ensure that the after-sales service and spare parts are priced fairly and are easily available. Due to the lack of competition in the spare part industry, the government had intervened and determined prices of certain commonly used spare parts. But price regulation is government's last resort and only used in instances where it is necessary to protect the Fijian consumer from distorted and unfair prices. In 2013, ladies and gentlemen, the Fijian government asked the spare part industry to self-regulate to ensure that the consumers get the best service. However, the progress seems to be slow. We would like to see the industry players take responsibility to maintain its credibility. Ladies and gentlemen, the introduction of the new Hilux also demonstrates that critical investments are taking place, especially in the motor vehicle industry. This investment is not only about bringing in quality vehicles, but new technology, new skills, new levels of comfort and safety. In a complex and fast-changing world, there can be no doubt that our automobile industry faces real challenges. The onus is on the industry to recognize these challenges, accept reforms, and adapt to the changing trading rules and the era of globalization. However, the motor vehicle industry must not limit itself. The industry needs to capitalize on Fiji's position as a hub of the Pacific and challenge itself to become a regional distributor of motor vehicles rather than just a domestic distributor. We need to capitalize on our many advantages as a country, and like having better skills, better infrastructure, and better connectivity in the region. Some Fijian companies are exporting to our island neighbors. Ladies and gentlemen, coming back to today's launch, I wish to reiterate that the introduction of the new generation vehicles is a testament to where Fiji is in terms of its development, what it can be and what can be achieved if there is will and determination. The 2015 8th generation Hilux, no doubt, will be a wonderful addition to the line of Toyota vehicles that have served Fiji for generations. It provides all the features that the Toyota brand is renowned for: safety, reliability, and comfort, put together in an exciting little package. I warmly congratulate the ASCO family for all its achievement, and indeed, it gives me great pleasure this evening to launch the brand new 8th generation